Capricorn, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your no contact reading for the month of October. And of course, this is a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest for the others. Also, that this is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Please check your placements before watching the reading. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Okay, let's begin and see what are your person's intentions and feelings towards you, the one you are in no contact with. What are their feelings and intentions towards you, Capricorn? Let's see. Oops, sorry. So we have a fallout, so we'll take that card. So they are currently very heartbroken, isolated, extremely. I can also see that they're crying for some of you. You can see this card. They're crying. They're in isolation. So that is the kind of feeling that I'm getting for them. That is, they're extremely hurt and deep pain at the moment. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see. Let's clarify this card further and see what exactly are they feeling. Let's clarify it further. Let's clarify it further, Capricorn, and see what exactly they are feeling. So their feelings are like they want to take action towards you, or they've been tired of waiting. They see you as someone who has everything, who is very potential. They see the potential with you. They see as they see you as a complete individual who has everything at their disposal and everything that they need in a person. So they are ready to take action towards you also. But it has been a long wait. I mean, they've continuously waited and waited and waited, but they're not able to make that happen. Why? Because they feel that you're too detached and you are in an independent single mode right now where you don't care at all. Okay, this is making them cry somehow. I mean, they are feeling abandoned. Okay, they feel that you're just ignoring their efforts. They have been waiting for long enough, and still you are not. You just don't care. You carefree. What are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, if any? What are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, if any? Let's see. Capricorn, what are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, if any? Let's find out. Any actions that they are willing to take towards you. Okay, so they are not going to take any action. I don't see that. But in their heart space, they are comparing themselves with you. They feel that they are nothing in front of you. They have some inferiority complex, or maybe they have some insecurities within themselves, or maybe they feel that you have other options also, because you have that in your aura. You attract people towards you. So they feel that you have other options as well, and they stand nowhere in front of them. They stand nowhere compared to them. Okay, so in their heart space, this is what they're feeling. They're not taking any action towards you, but that is what they're feeling. Okay, their mind space, heart space, wherever you want to take it, you take it. And this is the rebirth that they expect. They expect a rebirth in the situation, but they can't figure to understand how to make that happen. Okay, let's clarify this comparison card further. Let's clarify and find out what is the comparison card here for. Sorry. Okay, so I'll take this card. Let's clarify the comparison card. What is it here for? Okay, so basically they want to heal the dynamic between you two, but again, like I told you, they're comparing themselves with you. They're comparing the dynamics with you. They think that you are a long-term potential, but they see you as too cold and detached. maybe because you have options, maybe because you have other people who are better than them. They have that insecurity. Okay, they see you as a wish fulfillment. They see you as a wish fulfillment. They see you as someone who is better than them in some shape or form. Okay, like next, let's see what are your feelings and intentions towards this person, Capricorn. What are your feelings and intentions towards this person, Capricorn? Let's find out what are your feelings and intentions towards this person. Okay, so you feel that there has been a lot of secrets, lot of hidden agendas, lot of hurt, lies, deceits in the past. Past has been very rough for you both, and you feel there was no balance there. There was a lack of balance in the situation for what all happened in the past. Let's clarify this and see what exactly are you feeling. Let's clarify Capricorn, and find out what exactly are you feeling. What are you feeling, Capricorn, for this past life? Okay, so you feel that there was a lot of obsession, attachment. You couldn't, you both had some sort of addiction. Maybe you were obsessed with each other or something like that. You couldn't get rid of something in your energy, some toxicity of some kind. And also in the past, you tried to make an offer, you tried to make it work, you both tried to get a fresh start with a new stable beginning plus emotions. Everything was there. I mean, Ace of Cups plus Ace of Pentacles. But there was some sort of obsession in the past, and that obsession grew negatively, and sort of overwhelmed you. That is what you feel, and that's why you wanted to disconnect from this person, because you were not able to understand the deep emotions and the deep feelings, like how to get rid of it. It was like consuming you in some form. It was like taking a toll on you. Okay, you were so much in love, and so much of love, you felt that it was one-sided. This person didn't have it, or something like that. This person didn't show it as much at that point of time. Let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation. Let's see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. What is the guidance for you? Okay, so guidance here is you need to relax, you need to take a chill pill, you need to take some time out for yourself, relax, rejuvenate, meet your friends if you have to, take time apart from this person, relax. You need not take any action, delay everything for now, because it is weighing on your mind, on your health. Do not take it so much. Let's clarify the laziness card as well. You need to be a little lazy. Don't have to be so active. Relax. But that is, you need to take the time out. You need to this should be a time out for you. Laziness. Let's clarify the laziness card for you. What is the laziness card here for? What is the laziness card here for? What is the laziness card here for? So laziness here is, you need to take a break. I told you why, because this is taking a toll on your mental health. You're feeling stuck, you feel that there is so much of competition around you, people are fighting for your attention, so many options, you don't know which one to do, what to do. Like I told you, that person knows you have options and people are fighting for you, plus you have conflicts with this person as well. You have certain conflicts with this person as well, which you are not able to avoid. So you need to take time out for yourself, so that you can get into a clear headspace, think clearly, and you can have this family dynamics later. You know, this is the happily ever after of family situation later on. So you can have this family dynamics later, but you need to first get rid of this person. I mean, get rid of not get rid of this person, you need to get rid of the mental obstruction that you're facing, and that will only come when you take time out to relax. You need to stop all the overthinking, everything, totally, completely. You need to just calm your mind and focus on the positive, divert yourself for the time being, so that you can be in a clear headspace to think about this dynamic clearly, and you can manifest that happy beginning or happy future with your loved one. Okay, you have the Lovers card, that's beautiful. So that was your reading, Capricorn. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.